Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Claude with Obsidian so you can turn your rough notes, ideas, and research into clear, structured summaries in just a few minutes. If you use Obsidian to capture thoughts, meeting notes, or study material, this workflow will help you clean everything up using Claude without breaking your flow. You won't need any complex setup, just your browser and your Vault open side by side. Start by opening Claude in your browser. Head to the new chat page and you'll see a clean interface with a sidebar on the left and a message box at the bottom. This is where all interaction with the AI happens. Keeping this window open next to Obsidian makes the workflow much faster since you can move back and forth instantly. Next, click the plus button on the left side to start a new chat. This ensures you're working with a fresh context, so your note is processed cleanly without any previous conversation interfering. A fresh chat also makes it easier to revisit or reuse results later if needed. Now, switch over to Obsidian and open the note you want to improve. Select the full content of your note, including headings, bullet points, or rough structure. Claude works really well with Markdown, so you don't need to reformat anything before copying. Paste everything directly into Claude's message box. If your note is very long, you can also break it into sections and process it step by step. This often gives you more accurate and structured outputs. Just make sure you're only pasting what you actually need summarized or refined. Before sending, type a simple instruction like, summarize this note into clear key bullet points and improve readability. This tells Claude exactly what to do: extract the important ideas and rewrite them in a more structured way. If you want, you can also specify tone, audience, or length, but even a basic prompt works surprisingly well. Now hit enter and let Claude process it. Within seconds, you'll get a cleaned up version of your note, usually broken into clear sections or bullet points that are much easier to read and understand. Take a moment to review the output. If something feels missing or too vague, don't restart, just reply in the same chat. You can say things like, make it shorter, add more detail, or focus on key takeaways. This back and forth refinement is where the real power comes in. Once you're happy with the result, you can copy it back into Obsidian as a polished version of your original note. Over time, this turns your Vault into a much cleaner, more usable knowledge base instead of a collection of rough thoughts. Now, here's an extra tip that makes this even more powerful. You can create a dedicated AI processing note in Obsidian where you temporarily paste raw content before sending it to Claude. This keeps your workflow organized and prevents clutter in your main notes. Another useful trick is to standardize your prompts. Instead of rewriting instructions every time, keep a small prompt template inside Obsidian. That way you can just copy, paste, and run your AI workflow instantly whenever you need it. You can also use this method for more than summaries. Try asking Claude to turn notes into study guides, action plans, or even blog posts. The same workflow works across all of them with just slight prompt adjustments. And if you combine this with tags or links inside Obsidian, you'll start building a system where raw ideas automatically evolve into structured knowledge with almost no friction. That's the whole workflow. Open Claude, paste your note from Obsidian, give it a clear instruction, refine the output if needed, and bring it back into your Vault as a polished version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.